When a conversational AI agent is connected to corporate data without architectural boundaries, the model often reaches beyond the intended source, surfacing information from its public training data instead of your internal records. At a firm like Woodgrove Bank, relationship managers require a client advisor agent to handle queries regarding strictly regulated investment products. Because these financial rules are complex and change frequently, attempting to hand author separate dialogue branches for every possible question is logistically impossible. When the agent fills those gaps by hallucinating a compliance rule or making an uncited claim, it creates a massive legal liability for the firm. This difficulty in maintaining verifiable data control is why senior architects often hesitate to approve live generative AI deployments in regulated environments. To solve this, we use the Generative Answers node to bind the AI exclusively to a specific approved corpus of corporate knowledge. Unlike agent-level conversational boosting, which acts as a broad fallback, this node is placed at an exact point in a targeted conversation flow to retrieve specific data. For the Woodgrove Bank scenario, static documents are insufficient. Instead, they use HTTP requests and Power Automate flows to query live, proprietary regulatory APIs in real time. The raw JSON from the API is pulled through a funnel and reshaped on the fly into a strict PowerFX table with content, content location, and title columns. We then apply custom instructions like formal tone and bullet points, forcing a predictable AI format. Combining these data pipelines with strict formatting instructions converts the AI from an unpredictable black box into a measurable, verifiable tool. However, even a perfectly formatted pipeline can be undermined by a critical production trap hidden within the custom data schema. This illustrates the 3-record limit. If your API returns 50 rows of data, Copilot Studio will only use the first 3. Everything past row 3 hits a graphic wall and is ignored. The system selects records purely by positional order, regardless of relevance. To counter this, architects must configure Power Automate to pre-filter and rank the data upstream, ensuring the 3 most relevant records are the ones that reach the node. Without this upstream engineering, the AI will build its responses from arbitrary data, leading to degraded answers and broken compliance checks. Certain tasks require analysis rather than retrieval. For example, Woodgrove Bank needs to classify legal clauses in uploaded documents as standard or flagged. A custom prompt tool handles this by executing a specific reasoning task on the text provided by the topic, without searching an external database. For complex legal analysis, we can bypass basic managed models and connect these prompts directly to the Microsoft Foundry catalog. This allows us to use frontier models like GPT 4.5 or DeepSeek for high-intensity reasoning, while ensuring the data remains governed by strict Power Platform data loss prevention policies. These Foundry-connected prompts give architects direct granular control over which intelligence engine processes their most sensitive analytical tasks. The architectural choice depends on the task. Use a Generative Answers node when you need the AI to synthesize a response from retrieved internal knowledge. Use a custom prompt tool when the task requires isolated text analysis and routing the output based on a classification. To align your deployment skills with the official AB-620 blueprint, you can continue into the complete structured masterclass. By applying these granular constraints, you transition generative AI from an unpredictable black box into a bounded and observable enterprise tool.